Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you want to install some games on EMPORIA Smart 5, but you can't seem to find them on the Google Play Store. And to do this, first let's open Google Play Store and actually try to find some games like Call of Duty. As you can see, there's no Call of Duty that we can install. There's an icon right here, but nothing happens. And to fix this, go back, click on your profile picture and open your settings. Inside you should find Family, enter parental controls, and now either disable parental controls entirely or go for apps and games, enter the PIN code, click on OK, and here increase PG to at least 16 or 18. Click on save, go back, and now look for Call of Duty, and it's right here, we can install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.